ONOS, One Nation, One Subscription, is an initiative of Office of Principal Scientific Advisor PSA, was approved by the Union Cabinet as a central sector scheme on 25th November 2024. ONOS is aimed to providing access to scholarly research e-journals from prominent publishers covering the disciplines like STEM, medical, management, social sciences and humanities to all individuals in the country. Nearly 6,400 institutions across the country, including higher educational institutions like central and state universities, colleges and central government research and development institutions will benefit from ONOS. This translates to nearly 1.8 crore students, faculty and researchers across the country getting access to more than 13,000 journals from 30 publishers, including the top 4 global publishers like Elsevier, Springer Nature, Taylor and Francis and Wiley. As part of the recent Anusandhan National Research Foundation ANRF Act, the government plans to seed and promote a vibrant research culture in 2-tier and 3-tier higher educational institutions. Through ONOS, many such institutions will begin to get access to journals, which is a necessity for doing research. Under ONOS, the government has negotiated for national licenses for e-journal subscriptions with 30 publishers, thus consolidating various consortia institutional subscriptions. In addition to the above, it is also planned to have a consolidated central funding to support Indian authors to pay for article processing charges APCs for good quality open access journals.